Hi there, this is Amanda Hill and we are really going to get cracking on building our blog. So, hosted, and I'm just logging in. So most WordPress you will find have got your domain name and then wp-admin or login, depending on what you've done in the background. So it will bring you to the WordPress login. Then you will need to put in your password. And of course you've used something that you can remember. If you forget, like I do sometimes, click lost your password and you will get an email so you can go and reset it. Now this is probably what you're going to get when you log in. So let's just make this a little bit easier for you. And the very first thing you're going to see is WordPress 3 point whatever, or 4 point whatever, depending on how old this video is. Please update. I'm happy to update because this is a brand new one, and I'm happy to update plugins as well. So let's update and let it give us the absolute latest version. Now sometimes there are issues with the latest version, so have an ask about before you update and see what people are talking about. So now we're going to get started and we're going to add themes and we're going to do all sorts of funky things, adding in plugins, but all of your stuff is in these places here. So whatever we're going to do is all going to be from there, and you can also use the little buttons across the top as well. Now I'm actually going to move all of mine across here using the plugin, which we're going to do in a video later on. But let's start with appearance because we're going to want to change the theme, and then we're going to do some plugins. So let's just quickly skim on a theme. Now you can do a search for installing for the freebies that are on here and have a look, or you can just upload your own theme. I'm going to upload the Genesis software and Genesis theme. So let's just go and have a quick look and see what I've got. So I've probably got most of them lurking about somewhere. And with Genesis, you have to put the theme on first. So the Studio Press theme, and that's what I'm just skimming down to get. There you go. I think we're on 1.9 now actually. So let's just open that and install that first and activate it. Now you can do a live preview of things first, but this is just the framework for the actual theme. So I'm going to add the theme that I want to choose over the top of that now that the basic framework is there. But you might have spotted it's just telling me that 1.9 is available. So before I do the new one, I'm just going to quickly upgrade it and click to complete. So it's all very fast and easy so far. Okay, so we're going to go and add the theme that we've chosen to go on. So appearance, themes, and install. So we're going to upload, choose file, and I think we've decided we were going to do generate theme. So let's just add that one. Click install. You can have a look at the live preview to see what it's going to come out like if you fancy. And then you can do your titles and do your colours. So you can pick a colour in the background. And actually you can put your own hex code in there as well. You can have a static front page if that's what you want. And then click save and activate. And of course, with all of the themes, that you can actually go and change things that are in there as well. So with Genesis, you've got the theme settings there, and you can go in and you can actually edit using the editor, the CSS style sheet, which is pretty funky. So off you go, get to this stage, decide on your theme before you get started, update to the latest versions of whatever it is you're using, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video, where we are going to put some plugins on, and then we're going to change the theme a little bit to get what we want. So I'll see you in the next video.